Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we talking about making money in the stock market. Now, if you've been watching my videos at all, or if this is your first time, it's all good. But recently, I got involved with buying stocks, right? Trying to get my money game right. You know, it's all about passive income streams, right? As many as you can get them. So I started investing maybe about 7-8 months ago. And just want to do a quick update. Right now, I earned about $459 from 2 stocks right now. I got other stocks, but I'm just focused on these ones. I'll put right here, bam. I made $307 on my Disney stock, right? And I gotta remember what it was up here. Oh, $152 from my Pinterest stock, right? So as you're watching this video, these stocks, in my opinion, are very good stocks to buy right now, because especially Pinterest is just popping right now. So if you're looking to know like what stocks to buy right now, you might want to look at these. Now keep in mind, like when you watch these videos and people tell you about stocks and like what to buy right now, it's a strictly an opinion, right? Because no one really knows, you know. But one thing I will tell you is, and this is one thing that I learned watching different videos and taking little courses on investing in the stock market, is you should have some sort of interest on some level of the things that you invest in, right? Or have some sort of knowledge, or be willing to do some real research, because a lot of times, and I've done this a couple times too, if somebody just say something, I'll just buy it just because I seen somebody say, I won't look at it, I won't care, I'll just look, they say it, boom, buy it. And then you just feel like whatever. But like Disney, I felt so good buying Disney when I did, because I love Disney, right? I love Disney World. I love, everything about Disney. So I'm like, yo, this is what's up. And Pinterest, I'm just very familiar with social media and Pinterest. So I'm like, I did a little bit of research, seen it has some good growth potential. So I'm like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Like, let me buy a few shares of this. So making money in stock market is real. If you're new to the stock, investing in stock, don't be afraid to jump in, guys, and buy a few stocks just to get going. Because I was trying to tell my sister about it. Like, yo, once you get in there and you check your little account every day, it just makes you feel good. First of all, to know you got stock, right? You got stock in companies, right? That in itself. But when you go in there and you check and you realize that you actually earned some money, the first time you realize you actually earned some money, it's a dope feeling, And there's day trading and stuff. Right now, I'm not really doing that, but I'm looking at long-term stocks. So Disney, in my opinion, is going to be a long-term. I'm at least hold it for like 5 years, see what it do. Pinterest, I'll probably hold that for a while. So yeah, guys, if you think about making money in stocks, it is possible. It is something that you can really focus on, and really grow this, like, and really make some money in it. Like I said, I'm just getting started. I'm a beginner. And people still ask me too, am I a member of the Motley Fool? That's the stock advisory website a lot of people talk about. Yes, I am still a member. I have a year's membership. And to be honest with you, I ain't gonna share stuff because it's a paid membership, whatever. But Disney has been on this stock advisory ever since I've been a member. And that was one of the things that helped me, decide to buy Disney. To be like, oh wow, it's a lot of people saying buy Disney, and Disney is on the Motley Fool. So just to answer a couple questions, yes, I feel like Motley Fool, the basic plan, their recommendations are legit. You know what I'm saying? From what I'm seeing, it's legit. And it's worth checking out if you're really about to get serious in the stock market game. All right. But that's on you. All right. But anyway, that's where I'm at with my stocks right now. I think I'm looking maybe in a month or so to buy some more stocks. I might try to get another Disney. I don't know. But in my opinion, Disney is a hot stock right now, in my opinion. So check that out, and I'll keep you updated on that. All right. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, right? If you haven't, give it, well, no, if you have, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.